Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever seen someone look incredibly elegant in a dress that wasn't expensive at all? The secret isn't always the price tag, it's how the dress is styled. So today we're going to be talking about how to make an affordable party dress look expensive. So make sure that you like the video, subscribe and share with a friend you might think might need this.
Fighting battles uphill when care is heavy and getting heavier still. If you need or want me, I'm never too hard to find. You know the places that I like to hide, and we'll go there side by side.
The first tip I would share is to focus on fit. Even the most expensive dress can look disappointing if it doesn't fit properly. A simple alteration can make an affordable dress look custom-made and instantly more luxurious. And another important factor is the fabric care. And honestly, wrinkles can make any outfit look cheap. Always steam or iron your dress before you wear it. A smooth, polished appearance makes a huge difference.
In the calm of twilight, when your night's been so long, you try to do right, but everything turned out wrong. When I need or want you, you're never too hard to find. I know the places that you like to hide, and we'll go there side by side. You and I, our breath dancing into the night.
Next, you need to pay attention to your accessories. Instead of wearing too many statement pieces, choose one or two elegant accessories. A classic clutch, simple jewelry, or sophisticated heels can elevate your entire look. Color also matters a lot. Neutral shades like black, navy, champagne, emerald green, and burgundy often look more luxurious than overly bright or neon colors. These timeless shades photograph beautifully and feel more refined.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt, in this torsion, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. I wanna rise up.
And honestly, less is more often. Avoid over accessorizing. A clean, balanced look usually appears more expensive than an outfit with, too many competing details. And another tip is to choose the right shoes. Well-maintained heels or elegant flats can instantly improve the overall appearance of your feet. Scuffed or worn shoes can distract from an otherwise beautiful dress.
Need a friend to shake me out of Don't know if I can find my way out. In this time.
Hair and makeup are equally important. A polished hairstyle and neat makeup can completely transform how an affordable dress is perceived. Sometimes grooming makes a bigger difference than the dress itself. And another secret is confidence. When you stand tall, smile, and carry yourself well, people notice your presence more than the price of your outfit. And finally, you need to pay attention to small details such as lint, loose threads, and proper undergarments. These finishing touches help create a polished and expensive look appearance.
I'm reaching out, I'm reaching.
At the end of the day, making an affordable party dress look expensive is all about styling, grooming, and confidence. With the right details, you can create a glamorous look without spending a fortune. Thank you guys so much for watching our today's video. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.
Over me, the water is rising.